Hey guys, Kelly Walters here, and today I am with Justin, who is part of the Hanes Beefy-T booth. Now, we have been collaborating for probably the last couple of years, but today I am here to show you the cool experience that they've created celebrating 50 years of the Beefy-T. Now, Justin is wearing a killer shirt, which I will show you exactly how it's applied, but this is a sneak peek of something you will see like 6-7 months on a collaboration that we're doing for the Beefy-T. Now, the most important thing is really what's behind me and the experience that they've created. So, Justin, tell us what's going on. What can somebody expect?
Yeah, so 50 years ago in 1975, Hanes developed the Beefy-T as a solution for screen printers. It was the first screen printer tee in the market. It was 6 ounces, it was bold, it was beefy, and it took off. And we wanted to make sure for this golden anniversary, these 50 years, that we really made sure Beefy had a huge birthday. So we created this beautiful booth, this beautiful museum to celebrate the greatness that is Beefy. But it's a love letter to decorators, because at the end of the day, we make the shirts, you make them iconic, and it's all about the memories that are attached to the shirts and the decorations.
I think I've loved everything that you guys have done. I know we're going to be able to show just a little bit about what's in there. So if you're not here, I'm sorry, you totally missed out, but we'll give you sneak peeks. But at the end of the day, we as Stahls believe in decoration in community. And I think it's really cool that you've been able to feature a lot of different decoration methods in here. Everything on the wall with the golden frames just kind of representing what you will see in collaborations throughout well, I guess it started in January, right? The first box, has that gone out?
It did start in January. We sent out samples. We have a sample request form going on our website, hanesprintwear.com, where you can sign up every month to get a new tee that has a different decorating technique, whether it's embroidery, flex embroidery, DTF transfers, screen printing, any transfer you can on the Beefy-T, which is just about everything.
Yep.
You can find for the next 12 months. So I really encourage everyone to go to hanesprintwear.com and sign up every single month. You can see here I'm wearing this great beefy football, and this will be the September giveaway. Also with Stahls, we have an Earth Day giveaway that you'll see a little bit later that has a beautiful leaf making up the Beefy bowl.
Yeah, I'm really excited to demo on these in just a little bit, but can you give a little not sneak peek, but just a little walk through with what we can show about the experience inside?
Yeah, so the Beefy-T, it is the decorator love letter. This entire campaign is about decorators and how we make the shirts. Hanes, we've always made them, but you guys, y'all made them iconic with all your different decorations. You can see that this campaign is what we live and breathe. We have these great transfers and other decorating techniques on the wall here. You can see we're heat pressing on the Hotronix auto clam. It's going amazing. You can see there's such a great turnout of people who are so excited to make their own Beefy-T in the booth today.
So I love that we have a mix of different experiences. You've got your own activation going in the booth, decorating some iconic logos of the Beefy-T. And then we go into this like museum. I love that you said museum, because that's really what it is of businesses or collaborations that you guys have done over the course of 50 years. But my favorite is probably the massive, oversized Beefy-T that you have a projection system going on and showing just video on a white t-shirt. I think that is probably my favorite thing, and nothing else needs to be in here. It's so cool. Then the next is, as you kind of go throughout this entire booth, you see and end with what you're doing throughout the rest of the year. So it's just a great wrap up of who you are, what you've done, and what you have been achieving over the last 50 years as not only a brand, but a specific style of garment.
Yeah, it's been so fun. It's been so fun not to only see everyone come together to celebrate this iconic tee, but it was also so much fun to create this booth and to create a 22XL Beefy-T. It's not every day you see a 22XL t-shirt.
Who came up with this idea?
So it was really a collaboration of the whole team. We just wanted to make sure everyone could remember where they were when they had a Beefy-T. Whether it be a concert, a family reunion, a sporting event, summer games, wherever it was that you had a Beefy-T, we want you to remember that, and we want you to go back in time with us and relive all of 50 years.
I love it. The connection is huge, especially in today's time when people thrive on connection and connecting with others.
Yes.
Let's head over to the Stahls. Let's do some decoration and show people just how easy it is to create what you guys have been creating.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So Kelly, what makes the Beefy-T so great for UltraColor Max transfers? And for those of us that don't really know what UltraColor Max is, what is it?
So UltraColor Max is our direct-to-film transfer, and it really gives this beautiful full color capability and a very, very soft hand finish. So one reason why I love using the Beefy-T is because it's such a dense garment, but the feel is absolutely beautiful and it's super soft. So naturally taking a soft hand transfer and a very soft, dense knit shirt just pairs beautifully when it comes together. And the transfer we're gonna be using has a lot of garment show through, so you're almost gonna not even feel that the transfer is actually on the garment.
I love that. So I think we should start with the Earth Day. I think that's really fun. That's coming up in April.
Love it, okay.
So we have this great Beefy-T Earth Day transfer UltraColor Max. So Kelly,
Okay,
take it
let's do
away.
All right, so the first thing that I am going to do is actually open the garment and thread it like a pillowcase and just slide it onto our platen. Now the really cool thing about this platen, what it's gonna help us do is align our transfer just that much easier. So I'm making sure that our shirt is aligned correctly on our platen. And then what I'm gonna do is I cheat and I like to find the middle. So I'm just gonna line up end to end and just lightly crease the top part.
Okay.
This is gonna tell me exactly where the center of our transfer is, making it super easy. When I place my transfer, I go about 3 fingers down from the highest point. So I'm gonna slide it just a little bit more. And then I'm going to slide our dual all the way over. Adjust my time to where we're gonna go about 12 seconds for 290 degrees. 2 buttons down, and then this is gonna go ahead and fuse the transfer and that garment together. When our time is up, it's gonna lift up and then slide over. And then this is a hot peel, so efficiency is very easy. And now our garment is decorated.
Beautiful.
So that's what it looks like when it's complete. And we have beautiful detail. I love seeing just the whole Earth Day be brought together with the Beefy logo.
Oh, it's beautiful. And for those of you watching, this will be available on HanesPrintwear.com. Sign up. You can redeem it in April. Make sure to check it out. In September, though, we're going to have another great UltraColor Max transfer with the Beefy football.
You want to do that one too?
Let's do it.
All right, transfer. Again, like I said, I like to cheat, find my middle. Slide that press back over.
It's such a simple process.
I love it, it's easy. Now, what we could be doing is loading on another shirt, getting that one prepped, and then our productivity is increased about 30 to 40%.
I love that.
This one might be my favorite just because of the fun football detail and of course just the chalk or pencil markings.
I love it. And once again, y'all, stay tuned on HanesPrintwear.com for all these great collaborations.